Laminated architectural roofing shingles are Infinity's most popular among homeowners and roofing contractors. Available in a wide array of stunning patented color blends, their high profile and dimensional thickness will enhance the roofscape of any style of home. Infinity's architectural shingles have one of the heaviest mats in the roofing industry, for superior weather protection. Engineered to withstand the elements for years, making them one of the most durable shingles you can buy. Installers appreciate their special advantage size too. Call 1-484-214-3032 for a free estimate today. Or go to www.infinityroofs.com for more information.